This, my friends, if you're hungry and you want somewhere to eat, it's very close to Kalim Beach, which is over there. There are so many places to eat here. I can smell so much fish and crab right now. It's a very Thai thing to do, to sit down on the floor level. Having rode past it a number of times today, I'm inquisitive enough to stop, and I'm very hungry. And let's get some drinks, let's get some food, let's try a whole bunch out. And not only is this a gem, but it's also next to this little gem. 2 for 1, how cool. Let's go check this out.
Welcome to the PMA experience, guys. It's Thailand time. My name is Chris, and I want to take you on this journey with me.
It's go time. Let's do it.
Positive mental attitude.
This is the way.
Go to the unknown where possibility lives.
A positive mental attitude can clear away all obstacles which stand between you and your major purpose in life.
Think big. Laugh loud.
And you know this, man.
The way of life can be free and beautiful.
Positive mental attitude.
Have you found joy in your life? Has your life brought joy to others?
Leave the box. In this world, there's room for everyone.
You guys can't actually smell this, but my taste buds are alive. Try not to get hit by the traffic here. Very Thai thing to do, to sit down on the floor level. It's nice to see everybody taking their time to eat and turning those pesky phones off just for a small bit of time, you know. Smell so much fish and crab right now.
Làm được hả? Đây à, kiwiจ้ะ Các bạn nên
Để con để đi.
Aroi Mak Mak.
ค่ะ
What does Aroi Mak Mak mean, guys? Just checking to see which of you guys out there actually continually watches my content, because if you do, you'll know. And if you don't know, watch till the end of this video and maybe I'll tell you. I was winking there, but I don't know if you can tell with these glasses.
What do you mean it's not spicy?
Chicken, everybody likes chicken here. That took surprisingly quicker than I expected to walk through that, and I'm so thirsty after being on the bike for many hours that I really wanted a smoothing, but there was a little bit of a queue, and in order to keep the flow of this video going I decided to carry on. But let's see if we can go back there and get a crafty smoothing.
Challenge accepted.
Got some pretty nice graffiti here, guys, or art across from the market there, huh? Very, very talented. It's nice, huh? It's a pretty good bar, I'd say, to watch the sunset and wind your day down.
Ở đây thì giáเอาบวยหรือว่าเอาบวยหรือว่าอันเนี้ยค่ะไม่เอาน้ำจิ้ม
What a precision there with the knife, guys, huh? What cap? Pineapple?
Pineapple, yes, one pineapple.
Thank you, Cap.
Anything else, mister?
That's it for me, thank you.
Okay. 20 baht, please.
Is this every day is here?
1 month 2 times off. They close. ขอบคุณมาก
Thank
ค่ะ
you, Cap. It's Aroi Mak Mak, huh?
ขอบคุณใช่อร่อยมาก
Thank you. Oh, has a little stick as well. I gotta forego the mask here for a second, guys. I gotta get this on the go. Gotta make this happen. That's so good. I know you've probably all tasted pineapple, so it's nothing exotic, but Not only does it tick that box, it blows that box out of the water. I've been baking on the bike for many hours for you guys, making videos today. See if we can get that smoothie on the go. That's one of the busiest stalls here, huh? Sorry, Kat. Can I get a mango smoothie? Still here, guys, still here. If you think this pineapple look good, how good does this look? Oh, Kapun Kaf, huh? Thank you. It's not a bad place to sit. Ui. That is beautiful, huh? Beautiful.
Hello, my friend. No beer today?
Bingo.
Alrighty then.
So good, guys. Woo. Woo. You know, sometimes with ice cream you get the ice cream headache. I almost got it then with this. It's pretty delicious. Pineapple and mango. That'll do for now, with a whole bunch of water and some food later. Okay, so this gives you an idea of the cost.
Come on, baby, say something, say something.
But I'll check out the exact location and put it in the video now. And if you're in this area, if you liked any of the foods that was shown, predominantly meat and seafood I would say, then come have a look. Inexpensive as always with the Thai street food. Guys, if you haven't done already, please consider subscribing. Hit the bell notification, hit the like, share the videos, all that good stuff. Share some love. Go travel, laugh as much as you can, and be inspiring to others. Whatever you're doing with your day, I hope it's great, and I hope it brings you great joy. And I will see you, my friends, in the next video.
I decided to hold out for the sunset, guys. And what a beautiful sunset it was. Was it worth the wait? What do you guys think?